Let's get your top story. It's Prime Minister's 75th birthday. He is going to be in Madhya Pradesh's Dhar district in order to launch key national initiatives. The focus, of course, is the well-being when it comes to women and children, and that is the focus of the Prime Minister, and that's been the focus over the last 3 terms, but particularly on his 75th birthday. That is how the Prime Minister has decided to celebrate. The focus is going to be on Nari Shakti. The push is by the Prime Minister as far as the welfare and the tribal outreach is concerned, particularly wanting to focus on the health of the women. So this is a campaign that is being launched, the Swasth Nari, and this is the Sashakt Parivar Evam Poshan campaign, as well as there is going to be a huge focus where we're talking about Prime Minister Modi, who was born in Mehsana town of Gujarat on the 17th of September in 1950. He's been the state's 3 times Chief Minister. He has been the Prime Minister. This is his 3rd term since 2014, and he will be unveiling the Mitra Park as well. So there is a lot lined up from the municipal body in Varanasi, set to cut a 75 kg cake to Odisha, planting 75 lakh saplings to mark the Prime Minister's birthday. We have Niharika joining us from Madhya Pradesh. Niharika, take us through the celebrations in the state where Prime Minister Modi has decided to spend his birthday, and the focus from Mitra Park to women welfare as well as children welfare. Take us through all that's on the agenda.
Absolutely. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to come to Dhar, that is Bhensola Tehsil in Dhar district, and he'll be here. He'll be laying the foundation stone of the PM Mitra Park. It will be the first ever PM Mitra Park which will be constructed here in Bhensola itself. Otherwise, there are 7 more parks which will be constructed in all over the India. But this will be the biggest park. I am showing the venue where PM Modi will be coming. Actually, if we talk about today, at 12:20 p.m. PM will launch Nari Shakti Parivar Rashtriya Abhinandan, Rashtriya Poshan Ma, Suman Sakhi Chatbot. Other than this, the biggest event for today is that today PM Modi will perform the Bhumi Pujan of PM Mitra Park. He'll be laying the foundation stone of PM Mitra Park. The target is to build 7 PM Mitra Parks across the India. Out of these, Dhar will be built on the maximum area of 2158 acres. That is 2158 acres of land. It is going to be built on 5 factors. It is being built on farm, fiber, factory, fashion and foreign factors. All works from making thread to putting buttons will be done in this park, and the clothes made here will be supplied not only out of Madhya Pradesh or out of any of the Pradesh states, but also out of India. It will be also supplied to the foreign countries. This park will benefit the cotton producing farmers of Malwa Nimad. Through this park, more than 3 lakh people are expected to get employment. As you can see, the preparations for today's event is being done, and all the people are here. They all are waiting eagerly for PM Modi's visit. He'll be coming here around 11:45, and around 12 he will be coming at the stage, and then he will be launching all these programs, and other than that he'll be laying the foundation stone of the PM Mitra Park. See, before this we were importing cotton from Gujarat, and because of which all the farmers, those who are here producing cotton, were very much they were not happy with the government's work here. But now as we talk, people are going to come and work here itself in Madhya Pradesh. They do not have to go to any of the other states or do have to move to any of the states for working, but yes, now they will be able to work here itself in Madhya Pradesh. That is because of this PM who is going to lay the stone of the foundation, stone of the PM Mitra Park today here in Dhar, that is Bhensola. Again, I'll show you the pictures here. You can clearly see all the people have started to come here. Also, the police and the security programs are also being here, and it is very much tight security. You can see around 11:45 PM Modi will be coming here to Bhensola, and after which CM Dr. Mohan Yadav and ministers will welcome the PM. PM Modi will reach at the venue at around 11:45. PM Modi will reach at the stage around 12:15. At 12:20, PM will launch Nari Shakti Parivar Rashtriya Abhinandan, Rashtriya Poshan Ma, Suman chatbot, and other than this, he will be laying the foundation stone of the PM Mitra Park. As I have already told, 7 PM Mitra Parks have to be constructed.
Niharika, right, Niharika, we're going to keep coming back to you for more on that. You mentioned the Mitra Park, and let's talk about that. You know, that's spread across 2,158 acres. The project is expected to directly benefit the state's cotton farmers. A key reason why, you know, leading textile companies have already committed investment proposals, and they are to the tune of over 23,000 crore rupees. Let's get you details.
Madhya Pradesh's soil doesn't just grow grain, it weaves stories and threads too. From the shimmer of Chanderi in Ashoknagar to the finesse of Maheshwari from Khargon, from the bold red and black bark prints of Dhar to the splash of colors in Bhopal's batik, from the intricate zari work of Indore to the tribal weaves of Jhabua and Alirajpur, every fabric, every pattern, every design carries the tale of India's diversity and artistry. The textile sector, second only to agriculture in generating jobs, contributes nearly 9% of India's exports with the target of doubling by 2030. Madhya Pradesh alone produces 47% of India's and 24% of the world's non-GMO organic cotton. Spread across 6 lakh hectares in 18 districts, the state grows 24 lakh tons of cotton every year. In 2024-25, textile exports from the state crossed 9,200 crore, aided by 31 gigawatt power capacity, 1000 MCM water reserves, 6 inland container depots and a multi-modal logistics park. And now, giving it new colors, on September 17th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone of the country's first and biggest greenfield integrated PM Mitra Park at Bhensola village in Dhar district. A space where the journey from farm to fashion to foreign markets will come full circle.
कॉटन उद्योग के लिए, खासकर कॉटन की हमारी ये राजधानी बने, इस तरह से कपास उत्पादक किसानों की दृष्टि से 6 लाख से ज़्यादा किसानों को लाभ पहुंचाने के लिए मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का हृदय से मध्य प्रदेश की धरती पर स्वागत करता हूं और अभिनंदन करता हूं.
Spread across 2,158 acres, the park is designed as a model industrial township. It will house 20 MLD common effluent treatment plant, 10 MVA solar power plant, modern road networks, 81 plug-and-play units, and residential and hostel facilities for workers, especially women. Experts say the biggest beneficiaries will be cotton growers of the state. Today, over 3.5 lakh farmers cultivate cotton in Madhya Pradesh. Instead of selling it raw, the fiber will now turn into yarn, fabric, garments, and then be exported directly to global markets. No wonder India's leading textile companies have already pledged investments worth 23,146 crore here. The project promises to create 3 lakh jobs with 60% reserved for women. For tribal and youth-dominated regions, this could spark nothing short of an industrial revolution.
आज के अवसर पर अब मध्य प्रदेश में जो कॉटन हो रहा है, ये अकेली इस फैक्ट्री के अंदर, ये अपने इस कैंपस में 1 लाख से ज्यादा लोगों को रोजगार मिलेगा इस पूरे क्षेत्र के अंदर, और 1 लाख से ज्यादा लोगों को तो यहाँ रोजगार मिलेगा, लेकिन 6 लाख किसानों के लिए, उनको खास करके सीधा उनका कॉटन, उनका कपास, यहाँ धागा बनेगा, कपड़ा बनेगा, रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स बनेंगे अलग अलग प्रकार के, तो ये 3 लाख से ज्यादा लोगों को अप्रत्यक्ष खेत के किसानों के लिए एक दौर वापस आने वाला, जब हमारा वो पुराना कॉटन कपास के आधार पर पूरा मालवा और निमाड़ बेचाना जाता था, तो ये एक नई दुनिया बनने वाली, एक नया दौर आने वाला, तो जिसमें हम धार झाबुआ से लगा करके रतलाम तक, इधर उत्तर उज्जैन से लगा करके इंदौर तक.
The cotton threads of Dhar, Jhabua, Ratlam and Ujjain will weave not just fabric but also the dream of an Atmanirbhar Bharat and a Viksit Madhya Pradesh. In Bhopal, Anurag Dwari for NDTV.